and realize the depth. This is a very, very strong soul to soul connection coming through over here. Hello, Sagittarius. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. This is a monthly reading for December. So, happy birthday to you all, and many, many best wishes, beautiful blessings, and abundant opportunities to you all. So, the first card coming in, the theme is you deserve love, you are lovable. It's almost like this energy of self-love which is coming in, enhancement, empowerment, slowly and steadily healing yourself, going deeper, deeper understanding which is coming in, becoming clearer of what you really want, realizing that this was a pull you had to have in order to go forward, to shoot towards your goals, but a lot of assurity which is coming in. So that's really, really nice. Thank you so much. We have what else? We have it is safe for you to love, open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. So realizing that yes, I do deserve a true nourishing partnership, relationship. Eventually, in the long term, I can see it happening whenever it is. Right now, I may be focused on other things, but I can see that my life is turning towards that. Is the energy which is coming through, new love energy which is coming in. We have very soon coming through, and we have playfulness coming in, which is really nice. Playfulness has that night energy in it, and which talks about newness which may be coming in. Decide what you really want. If you want to attract, it's almost like you are in your birthday month. Divine timing is at work is also coming in, but what I see over here is that whatever you want, you can manifest. Anything that you want is coming through. And if you are in a relationship already, I feel like there's this choice someone is making to reconcile or give it another go. Look at things from a fresh perspective is also coming in, adding more fun. What did you both enjoy doing, which can be revisited now? This one very soon says clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Coming in. So yeah, that all your dreams can turn into manifest into waking realities. So be careful what you're wishing for. All right, we have 5 of cups coming in, and we have 4 of cups also coming through. So there is this energy. Wow. And we have 7 of cups also coming in. Someone wanting, going from a place of lack and realizing, okay, what all options do I have, what all can I do? Coming through, there's a bit of lack energy which is coming in. I'm not being able to manifest this. Why is this always happening to me, kind of a thing which is coming through. It's almost like having a different take on what a relationship is also coming in. Become open towards that is coming through. Don't focus on the lack. I feel there could be a new offer which may be coming in, and we have the death card, Scorpio Major Arcana at the bottom as well over here, depicting there's an ending which is very much required, ending in the thought process of how things have been, really looking deeper, analyzing your core principles is also coming through, or certain kind of past traumas which have become a part of your life, and you don't deserve to undergo it through it each and every day, even if it is in the subconscious. This seems more like a subconscious point of view which is coming through over here. But choices, I feel like you vibrating in a particular high level of self-love, also respect, supporting yourself, supporting your dreams, enjoying life and all of that. I feel a lot of options, choices coming in, but there's certain kind of decision, which is why we also had very soon coming in. Think about it. What do you want? What are you attracting through your thoughts? What are you paying attention to? Is there a little bit of sliver of lack in there? Can we change that around? And we have 3 of cups coming in. So there's this past energy also coming in, past relationship energy which is coming through, and kind of thinking that it won't really come through for you. I'm done with love, kind of a thing. There was such good perspectives in it, but it did not happen. I don't know what to do. I clearly have no clue, kind of a thing which is coming in. There is a bit of negative energy or toxic energy that you may have encountered, and you need to step away from it, realize the karmic pattern that may be coming to an end, that is also coming in. Have some more patience is coming through. Don't jump into conclusions. We have Ace of Cups. How many cups do we have? Wow. It's like emotions. There's this buffet of emotions which is coming in, and someone has entered the buffet with an full stomach. That is the energy which is coming through. New love which is getting postponed. If you have been waiting upon certain kind of initiation in terms of starting something new, I feel there's a halt which is coming through, because there's a lot of fast zipping in, zipping out energy which is coming through. And we have Nine of Swords coming in, a lot of anxiety as well for some people, feeling the love vibrations once again, and like that deep love, and someone is getting anxious about this situation. This energy is telling me they are constantly thinking about you. While they may be socializing and all of that, keeping their options open, they at night come to think about you a lot. Kind of analyzing, if I had confessed what I really wanted. If this person, if you could see what this could be, that kind of energy is coming in. And we have Four of Wands also coming through. Wow. I see someone's anxieties, or someone completely thinking about career and, like, completely married to that aspect, that they're not being able to see the good, what good could come out of this relationship, potential relationship, because there's new love, there's marriage potential which is coming in, personal life bliss which is very much essential. So maybe, like, there is a little bit of imbalance which is coming in, which is why this card is coming through. The romance angels are telling you it is actually safe for you to love. This is something different from what it was before. Even if you see certain kind in the present situation, it's very situational basis which is coming through. If you see something of the past, don't compare it to that, because this is a different person, this is a different equation, this is a different connection that you have. Wow, okay. Of course, with the cups, the amount of cups which are over here, these are water signs: Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. Scorpio is coming through quite predominantly. And in case you had someone in your past who was a scorpion, or had the scorpion in their charts, or was embodying that energy, more of like someone being a scorpion, I feel that it defined a lot of things for you, the way you approach love. That is coming in, and that needs to change, coming in again and again. You deserve love is coming through. It is safe for you to love, coming in very, very significantly. Wow, okay. Mending coming in, fork in the road coming through, at a cross point with the options over here, still holding on to it. This person, if there's this energy coming in which I have to talk about. It could be like, in the recent times, this person took a hasty decision, or they are acting and reacting from a place of fear, coming through a lot, anxiety. And especially if you had reconciled with someone, I feel like they feel the same things will happen, no good will happen, and I'll just keep on wishing upon this, and it will just backfire on my face. That kind of a thing is coming in. We have breathe coming in, relax. Yes, very important. Both sides. Both sides. They seem more invested in this equation coming in. They are kind of reacting. Someone is reacting over here like they have ants in their pants, jumping into conclusion, or not even going till there, but just resisting it because they're scared, very, very scared. Scared of the outcome, probably the uncertainty, or something happening once again, potential trauma which may be there. That is what someone is focusing on. And over here, there's someone who is not open to love just yet, or open to really realizing what their emotions are for this person, is also coming in. And that's okay, that's all right, that's your choice. We have engaging gifts coming in, and we have imagine also coming through. Yeah, This person also has a lot of manifesting powers. Sagittarians already do. It comes in very naturally to them. Jupiter is your ruling planet, but over here I feel like, whatever they are trying to think about the future, there's a lot of contemplation energy coming in, not being able to see it, or rather they can see a future but they don't believe it. That is also coming in. They need to relax a little. Blue energy which is coming through, self prevention kind of energy which is coming in. And with the exchanging gifts over here, I feel with the 2 and 7 coming in, and we had a 7 also, you see this person having a lot of potential with you, and you want to exchange gifts. So exchange, have get to know this person a lot, but there's certain kind of block which is coming in. I don't know, it's like very shifty energy which is coming through over here. Let's look into some clarifications. We have 2 of Pentacles coming in. I just had to be sure. This is actually my first deck that I started tarot with. Okay, so we have 2 of Pentacles coming in. Again, trying to figure things out, see which side is greener kind of a thing. But yes, realizing that I have 2 choices. We had the Folk also coming in. Things balancing out. You're feeling drawn in 2 very different directions, or 2 different people also. Which career path to take could also be coming in. Yikes, so many cards. 5 of Cups came in again. There's a lot of unsaid words which is coming through. You both mean well for each other, but there's a lot of this unfinished business which is coming in. I don't know. Thank you so much. We have the Chariot, Cancerian, Major Arcana coming in reverse. So things are like, if they were fast tracked, I think they're slowing down coming through. We have 10 of Pentacles coming in, Taurus Minor Arcana coming through, and we have the 6 of Pentacles also coming in, equal give and take coming through. See, there are many very good energies which are coming through. The potential is really, really good. I'm seeing that. But there is certain kind of slowdown which is coming in. Again, the Chariot card, when in traditional tarot decks, has a black and a white horse or sphinx, both of them over here. So that's the balance, yin and yang, becoming sure of your emotions and then charging forward. This also talks about certain kind of divine contract being overlooked by the divine. This connection, divine timing is also coming through. Have more patience which is coming through. And with the 10 of Pentacles, I see both of you thinking about a happy life. Over here, there's this security, sense of security, which is very essential for this individual over here. Could be you or the other person. But this side is usually the sign that I'm reading for. Do check your rising, moon, and Venus as well for more depth. But 10 of Pentacles coming in, a lot of happiness. They see you in a very positive light, but there is certain kind of dilemma which is coming in, and more of something triggered from fear. That is what is coming through. Sleepless nights which is coming in, overly thinking. There's a bit of panic which is coming in. And 6 of Pentacles again is talking about equal give and take. They want to know if you will be able to give them what they can offer equally as well, and they don't see it right now, but they hope that you do. And apart from that, also with these 2 cards coming in reverse, I don't see it happening right now, but the potential of this turning into a marriage is also there, but it is more in the future which is coming through. Apart from that, if we look at it in a more practical way, because that is what I'm seeing over here, 2 people trying to think of this logically, when love can be quite illogical as well. Because who you fall in love with is quite out of your control in a way. Who you develop feelings for is what I'll say. Then what you do about it is all on you. But right now I feel like the spirit is saying, don't jump into conclusions just yet. Become clear of what you really want. this is a very hard person, very much like you, but they also have their own wavelengths, their own depths, their own parts of personality. But overall, I see a lot of this polarity which is coming in, but a lot of common aspects which is also coming in. I don't know, I'm just phasing out now. If you are waiting on someone's decision, I think they'll be taking their time because they are figuring out that if it is love, if it is unconditional love, then I need to work upon myself. This anxiety, this needs to go. This is not healthy. That is coming through. Or someone feeling, why am I feeling so anxious? Apart from that, I also feel that you're getting a new chance with love very predominantly. It's asking you to be open to give as well as be open to receive. I'm seeing a very true partnership, but there's this essence of the past, whether conscious, whether it is known or unknown to whoever it is, but both it's coming in. Preconceived notions which are coming through. We have true love coming in, see. This is the romance of a lifetime coming in. True partnership is coming in. Wow. Okay. We have free yourself coming through, and we have engagement also coming in. Yeah, they are seeing it in the long term, far into the future. They can see that, and they also, the common energy coming in, free yourself from the past, free yourself from the anxieties. It's time to take back control of your life. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. That is what they like to see. But first, you need to realize what you have. For me, that is coming through. Thank you. We have Three of Wands coming through. Yes, release toxic energies out of your life, karmic relationships, equations, friendships, situations that you need to free yourself from. And we have the Nine of Cups coming in as a six over here, which is talking about certain kind of past healing, which is very much required because there's this energy. See, again, there's this deck. Where is it? This deck has six of cups as a scorpion as well, so dwelling in the past which is coming in, dreams not realized which is coming through, doubting whether or not this will pan out. We have Five of Wands also coming in. There's a little bit of deception which is coming through. Both of you are not being able to emote or communicate. I see a lot of intense attraction, passion, but a very thick emotional bond. We have Nine of Coins coming through, a lot of popularity coming in. Yeah, someone who is really, I don't have time for love coming through over here. We have Justice also coming through, Libra, Major Arcana coming in. Balance is very important. Balancing the different aspects of life coming through over here. Balancing the divine masculine and divine feminine, because the divine masculine over here, their energy, the divine masculine energy is a little wounded right now, which is why it's projecting such pangs of anxiety. We have Two of Coins again coming in. They are also career oriented. They're seeing it more of like, will this be, I don't think this will be profitable for me right now. That is what is coming through. But both have enough options going on personally also. We have the Moon card coming in, certain kind of secrecy, and we have the Eight of Coins coming through as well. Okay, not really sure whether or not they should be putting in the effort. They're under a lot of stress. Working for them is very therapeutic, is also coming through. So they will be, if they are feeling emotionally anxious, they will be indulging more in their work, into their passion. Something about the finances is also getting them a little anxious right now. And over here, very strongly, really tap into your emotional world coming in. Pisces, Major Arcana coming through. but a little bit of deception, not being able to really express your feelings, kind of a thing, which is coming through. Balance, you both balance each other. I think even like with the kind of motivation that you have in terms of your career, the trajectory, they are also bringing in balance. They realize like, I've been overly stressing about certain things, and like my career, professional life is taking a backseat. I need to put my attention on something more productive. That is also coming through. Both are trying to save your own selves. And we have the yin and yang also, where twin flame energy is coming through. But there is certain kind of separation which I can see over here. Divine feminine, divine masculine energy. So see, there is this need of tapping into your divine feminine energy. We all have both the energies, yin and yang. These are energies which we all have. We have both the energies with us. And these are gender fluid. So this is someone who has a predominant divine masculine perhaps, or they are charged with life force, fire energy, all fired up to charge forward, make the moolahs and all of that. This is also saying in that process, don't forget of being in sync with your emotions, creatively expressing yourself through gifts, through your talents. And over here the yang energy is coming through. Know that you are secure. This is coming through. There's too much panic which needs to be healed. Allow your divine masculine energy to provide the safety net for the divine feminine to express. That is coming in. I feel like if they get a slight hint that you're not all in it, then they'll be backing off, because they want something more substantial or something more long term. Like even if it is in the beginning process, they know that it should be progressing positively. That is also coming in, because they're not really in the mood of something casual is coming through. We have possibility coming in. Wow. Raise your standards, elevate your expectations. You have unlimited potential coming in. Yeah, I see that. For you personally also coming through. And for this equation that you have in your life is also coming in. It is workable in the future, maybe not immediately. You both need to do whatever brings happiness and not anxiety. This deserves a chance. But past energy, experienced trauma, pain, hurt needs to be released for both. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing over here. There's certain kind of karmic pattern which needs to come to an end. There's certain kind of inner child healing, or certain kind of healing which is important for this person as well, because there's this fear, this stigma which is in them that is not allowing them to open up. We have strength, Leo, major arcana coming in. Believe in yourself. We have the magician coming in and the star also coming through. Wow, okay. And we have the empress also coming in. Wow. Someone feeling overwhelmed. 4 major arcanas. Divine feminine who is shy, is hiding. He or she needs to realize their own worth. They see you as a star, as an inspiration. They feel very high with you. Happily high. Happiness has its own high. Manifestor energy which is coming in, divine masculine energy which is coming through very, very predominantly over here. Maybe the kind of equation that you guys shared in the past, you also felt a little overwhelmed by the kind of depth, understanding, telepathy, love, feelings that they could offer to you, and you weren't ready for that. That is also coming in, which is why this time around they are a little confused as to how to go about it, or they're shutting off. That is what I'm seeing over here. But I feel if you both aren't ready to put in the hard work right now, I don't really know what to say, because the energies, everything is really nice, but there's something which is not working out. Something. And we are giving too much importance to that. Healing, major amount of healing, self-belief which is required over here. Understanding your full potential or what you can create in life, in your career and love, that is also coming in. Understand that your scope is limitless. You can create anything that you want. What is it that you want? Yes, if you find yourself in a karmic or toxic situation, free yourself from that. Because you deserve something more rewarding in your life as well. Love and in life in general as well. They have a lot of feelings for you. I can see that. Could be someone who's quite psychic as well, because of the star card, which is up above, so below, as above, so below. Wow. And they are ascending. I don't think you'd also realize how strongly you feel for this person. And a little bit of separation is what you both require. Release the guilt is coming in over here. Getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. That is what is required. That is how we build upon the trust. That is what is coming in. And at the bottom we have retreat coming in, and we have soulmate at the top as well. But these two coming in reverse, I feel like this is what is required right now, to step away. It's time to disconnect from the world coming in and realize the depth. This is a very strong soul to soul connection coming through over here. You both require time to explore life, to continue on your spiritual journey, because I do see a possibility of retrying things maybe far in the future. I don't know how things will be, but right now this is what is getting projected. Just because it's in the card doesn't mean that it has to be in the future as well. You have control over that. But this is what I'm seeing over here. Very nice connection, but there's something which is not clicking. And you both can put a hand over, like, you can't really figure it out. Maybe you can, from the other perspective, like understanding where this person is coming from. I understand this person requires more time to work upon their career or whatever it is. I understand that this person needs to heal because of what happened or what this person is going through. This person is thinking for this person. But still there is a lot of love and respect which is there. Even in a platonic way, there's a lot of mutual respect which is coming in, and that is very beautiful. But when it comes to a point where you are about to project forward, shoot forward, or whatever it is, whenever you come close, the more close you come, the more you both build up walls, and that's a roadblock. Anyways, that is what is coming in. With the magician and the strength coming through, whatever you dream upon, whatever you set your eyes upon, you will get that is coming through. So become aware what you're paying attention to, what are you working towards, because success is definitely coming through. All the possibilities will be coming in. If this is a situation which was toxic, then it is time to raise your standards, step out of it, have a clear conversation. This works with me, this doesn't jive with me, with open discussion, and do things accordingly. But I see, like, you deserve it all. You deserve it all. Know that you are lovable, and only good things will be coming in. Have the faith which is coming through. All right, so do let me know your thoughts. This is a very interesting energy. Please do check your other signs as well. Comment below, let me know if this resonated or not, and thank you so much for your precious time. Share it with the loved ones, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. Until next time, happy birthday once again, belated and in advance too. Love and light, beautiful blessings to you. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonian.